How to fix WhatsApp web is not working. 1. Check WhatsApp server status. 2. Check for browser updates. 3. Clear browser cookies. 4. Reset the browser. 5. Open WhatsApp from a PC with an Android emulator, such as LD Player. 6. Turn off VPN. Software. 7. Turn airplane mode on and off on phones. 8. Try WhatsApp web on incognito mode. 9. Open Internet Connections Troubleshooter. 10. Zoom into the WhatsApp web page to scan the QR code.